Meet the most controversial Roman emperor you've probably never heard of.
He took the throne at just 14 years old.
This wasn't a small kingdom. This was Rome.
Backed by loyal legions, the teenager became emperor overnight. He tried to replace Rome's traditional gods with his own Syrian sun god.
The Roman elite were furious.
This is an outrage! We cannot allow it! Threatens everything.
Ancient writers claim his court became a stage for excess and humiliation.
Appointments based on favoritism? Not merit. Unheard of. This is outrageous.
He openly defied Roman gender norms, wearing makeup and women's clothing.
The emperor with commoners.
Unheard of. A dangerous game.
It changes everything.
He reportedly hosted bizarre-themed feasts, inviting guests based on a single trait. One account even says he released snakes into a crowd during public games.
Whether true or exaggerated, Rome was horrified.
Support began to crumble.
The Praetorian Guard turned against him. Even his powerful grandmother, Julia Maesa, withdrew support. In 222 AD, at just 18 years old, he was killed by his own guards.
His memory was condemned, his name erased.
But here's the real twist.
Was he truly Rome's most depraved emperor, or the victim of political propaganda?